Hi, welcome. Log into your WordPress dashboard to start. Visit the site and we can see the default theme set by WordPress. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the pages from scratch using Elementor. Now go to Plugins. Search for Elementor plugin. You will see the plugin named Elementor Website Builder. Install and activate it. Once it's installed, you can notice the Elementor navigation menu on the left side of dashboard. Now go to Pages and we will create a new page called Home. You can see the editor page with default theme. We will remove all these contents using this simple technique. Go to Settings on the bottom left side of Editor. You can see the page layout option set to Elementor Canvas. Finally, you can see header and footer is removed and now you can create your website from scratch using Elementor. Exit to dashboard and check how the site looks. One more step to go. We need to change the default display page to the page we created. Go to Reading under Setting menu. Set the static page to Home and save the changes. Refresh the page. Finally, header and footer section is removed. Thank you for watching.